Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards. Describe your favorite place in your house where you can relax. You should say where it is, what it is like, what you enjoy doing there, and explain why you feel relaxed at this place. My house is spacious, well decorated and furnished, so I like each and every nook and corner of it. The area where I like to spend most of the time and relax is my living room, where I feel comfortable as it is my favorite spot to unwind at home. It is situated next to the wide window, which lets in a lot of natural light throughout the day. I can curl up in the cozy armchair, plush cushions, and cozy knit blanket that are all part of the nook's furnishings. I set my tea or coffee on the little side table next to the chair, and a bookcase with my favorite books and periodicals sits directly across from the chair. It is peaceful, has few outside disturbances, and seems like my own private haven. I like to spend time there daydreaming, watching movies, or reading books. I frequently grab a cup of hot tea and immerse myself in a good book, allowing the words to take me to a different realm. I occasionally gaze out the window at the garden, which is a soothing sight, while listening to peaceful music or an audiobook. After a hard day, it's the ideal place to relax and get away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. It's a place where I can decompress, and sometimes I'll even journal or engage in deep introspection. The way this room blends comfort and tranquility is what I adore most about it. I feel more in one with nature, which is immensely calming, thanks to the natural light and peaceful outside vistas. The setting is calm enough to allow me to concentrate and de-stress, and the armchair is ideally positioned for me to relax in. Every time I sit there, I feel instantaneously at ease, as if the outer world temporarily slows down. The fact that this area of the house is devoted to me and my well-being is the reason I feel at ease there. I may relax both physically and psychologically in this cozy environment, away from the typical interruptions. I feel like I can relax and completely refuel whether I'm reading, drinking something warm, or just sitting quietly. I always look forward to spending time in my small reading corner whenever I need a break, because it has turned into my haven. For watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.